Everybody, it's Neil, and if you have a robot vacuum, I'm not exactly sure which one it is for, can't remember, but this one here are the disposable bags for it, so it gives you a whole bunch of extras. Instead of buying them straight from the manufacturer, it's a little cheaper to go and get them from the alternative modes. And so this is what it kind of looks like here. Let me show you how this works. So you've got it where it's closed, and then you kind of open it up and let it go in there, and then so you put it into your vacuum cleaner, and then when it's sucking it up automatically, it'll go in there. I have a Yeti, and I think it's going to fit. Let me give it a try. One sec. Unfortunately, it didn't fit into my Yeti, but I think I'll be able to, move the hole. My hole needs to be down a little bit further, but I'll probably do is take off this plastic and switch it out with the other one, because that's how I work. But yeah, it's a whole set of them, and you kind of go like that, so when it's filled, and when you take it out, then it's just, you throw it away. So very cool, and it comes with a whole big set of them. It looks like there's probably a dozen of them in here. So very nice little setup here. So for sure, this is it, 12 pack of, 12 of them. So there you go, thumbs up.